Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best cash app for business. So let's quickly dive into it. If you run a small business or freelance, Cash App Business is a simple way to get paid fast. You can share a Cash App tag, QR code or payment link with customers, making transactions smooth and professional. There are no monthly fee. You can only pay a 2.57% process fee per payment, and you can accept virtually unlimited payment. Cash App Business also makes tax reporting easy with a 1099K for qualifying users, and the high upcoming limits let you handle larger payment without issues. Use it for in-person, online or social payment, but remember to factor it in the transaction fee when getting priced. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick business tips, and comment how you can plan to use your Cash App for your business. And that's it.